Alright, quick golf car update. Just power washed the club car. It's a club car 1993. Got 100 amp hours of lithium iron phosphate. The Navitas controller. New contactor, new motor in the back. Pulled the axle out, painted it, changed the oil. New brake shoes. So far, so good. So we'll have to change the color of it, wrap it, maybe get some new wheels or something cool like that. There's the old motor. It's a total nightmare to get out. Ended up having to cut the shaft, and this is what's left of the spline. Get that bad boy off there. But I was able to save the axle. That's good. Later.